Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to hide SMS on Android to keep your private conversations away from prying eyes. Archiving is a great way to declutter your inbox without actually deleting your important history, so now let's get started. Step 1 is to open your messaging application from your home screen or app drawer to view your list of active conversations. This is the starting point for managing all your incoming and outgoing texts, and it is where you will decide which threads need to be tucked away. Step 2 requires you to swipe the specific message conversation to the side to archive it instantly. This sliding gesture is a quick shortcut that moves the thread out of your main view, ensuring that your primary inbox stays clean and private. Step 3 is to tap on the profile icon or menu in the top right corner of the app interface. This menu houses your account settings and specialized folders, which is important for navigating to sections of the app that are not visible by default. Step 4 is to select Archived to view and manage your hidden messages whenever you need to access them again. By moving your texts here, they remain saved on your phone but are effectively hidden from anyone who just glances at your main message list. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.